All right, Luke, Oregon Home Inspections with my sidekick Bobo, and we're doing a sewer scope. We're at 772 Manthus Hill Road in Yoncalla. It's a nice day. We are, I've hesitated to call this a clean out right here, but more or less a hole in the ground where I can see the sewer line under there. They have basically broken a hole in the top of the pipe. I'm guessing they've had some issues with the piping before. That would be my guess right here, but we'll call it an access point, not a clean out, but kind of what they're using it for. So we're in the line now, and this is looks like a it looks like a concrete pipe here, which would be typical. I do have a little bit of water flowing. And so with this concrete pipe, what I'm looking for mostly is breaks in it and offsets in the pipe. That's what I see the most of, the concrete broken or collapsed. And then offset is going to be where the downhill pipe is up higher than the uphill pipe at a section. So you can see right here, this is a joint right here. You can see this where two pipes come together. So if that lower pipe, the downstream side, was up in the air, it would create a damming spot right there. And that would cause, well, basically build up and debris to catch on it and eventually some clogging. So going backwards a little bit, there is a low spot here. I can see the water pools. I don't see any kind of major buildup. There's a little bit of toilet paper hung up on the walls in there, but not a lot. So not ideal, but doesn't seem to be causing a huge issue now. All right, so also obviously we're looking for tree roots. We do have these massive trees. It looks like we're going directly under them, and very happy to see that as of now there are no issues with that. But we can see some roots here. I'm gonna see if I can turn my lights down and get a little bit better. Some kind of buildup right there, and I'm guessing that's probably the problem right there. So we'll go past it a little bit, and this is probably we're entering the tap where we're going to drop down into the main. Oh, here we go. We're going to drop again. And this right here is actually going to put us into the main line. So we've made it to the city main line connection. Kind of a double tap, double drop to get there. Overall, I think the line is exceeded my expectations. So that's good, but looks like you're probably going to have some problem with that one spot there. We'll back up to that real quick and get there real easy. All this pipe looks good here. This would be my concern right here. So get a picture of this right here. But so this is probably gonna continue to be a problem, is my guess. This is either roots or toilet paper buildup or something's causing this right here. I'm guessing this is some roots. It's hard to see, but trying to play with the lights here, but it's hard to get some definition. It's going so sharply on there, but I'll see if I can play with the definition once I stop the video and see if I can get a little better look at it. But a couple options here. I think the best option would probably be we put a liner in this and smooth out this area and keep those roots from coming back in. So at the very least, what I would recommend is having a clean out installed, a proper clean out, because this is not good right here. This is going to definitely cause you issues. But yeah, looks like we got some roots right there too, coming out the side. But yeah, so overall it flows and looks good. There's obviously been some kind of issue. That's why they put in this, broke the pipe here so they could find a spot to clean it out with. And they didn't put in a proper clean out, so I'd recommend you do that. I'll get you a price for doing that. Not too expensive, but you want to have that to keep anything out of there and keep anybody out of here. So if you have any questions, give me a call. Okay, I just got done locating those two spots. The first one we were at, previous to this one, is at 2.5 feet. I'm gonna make a mark and take a picture. The other one's only about 3 feet away, so it's not much deeper. It doesn't really even register. So they're about the same, about 2.5 feet, 2 feet 8 inches deep. So if you have any questions on that, give me a call.